All right, so the dust has finally began to settle. We're about to take the wheels off of the 65. So whenever, tailgate's ready to go. So the 65 is on standby because first things first is to paint the inside here, re-clear it. So we were gonna just leave it to Rhino-Line, but we ended up getting more paint. So I said, let's just paint it. Now I got to deal with the lines. So I ended up trying to do a soft edge. Didn't work out to my favor. Now I got to go back, rescuff. And now I'm just going to do a hard line here between the inner and outer part of the bed, both sides. See here, just some paint didn't get on there for that soft edge. That's on me. Got to bite the bullet there. Couple of spots that I'm going to wet sand and touch up. Here was where that run was. I'm going to take care of that. In the meantime, I am going to take these wheels off. So while that is drying, I'll be sanding these wheels outside. So let's get these off and get it rocking and rolling. All right, now we're really firing on all cylinders. The goal today, spray the top white with the Ghost Pearl. I really like to give it overnight to cure before I tape anything else off. So we'll see if I end up doing that. And then tomorrow, spraying the back of the cab, the doors, the wiper cowl around the windshield, in the front, hood, fenders, grill, and then done. Everything that needs to be painted is painted. Start putting the bed back together, polish out the fenders on some spots that need some polishing, the grill. This just rolled in today. This is John's GMC Jimmy. We'll be talking about that more. It has some metal work that we're gonna be doing alongside the 53. The 53 is next in line. So as soon as we get the 65 out, we're going ham on the 53. And while we're doing the metal work with that, we're gonna be doing a lot of the metal work that's needed. Well, not much, we'll get to that later. We'll be working simultaneously on both of those. But today, the objective is paint the roof. Let's get the roof painted. Let's get it taped off. Well, first, let's get it cleaned up, double check anything, make sure we don't have any hot spots like that need to be addressed. And then just make sure it's all nice and cleaned up and ready to go. I'm excited. I'm ready. Here we go. So this is not normally when I film. I'm mixing some paint, getting the gun ready. I got the air hose hooked up, ready to go. It's hot. It's hot. Got this thing taped off. Taping is my least favorite. I'm gonna tell you right now. Like, I just don't, and I feel like I'm pretty patient. I'm a pretty patient person, but stuff like this, like it's hot today, and you just gotta go back over everything before you spray to make sure there's still contact between the tape and the panel, because otherwise it sucks. It's like you're kicking yourself right in the tush, and you gotta go back and do more work, and you don't wanna do that. You've already worked really hard to get it where it's at. Just like right there, just like that, it's coming apart. So now I just gotta press it real good. And right before I spray, I'll come and I'll press it back down again. And then I'll spray. It's hot, it is so hot. Let me tell you how hot it is. It's an inferno. 101 in the shop. 101. Oh is not a number. I kept telling my kids that. All right, let me get this sprayed up. Bring it back in. Once we get some color on it and some clear coat. That's nice. That's nice. Very, very good. Good Lord, have mercy. I have been taping and taping and taping and taping and taping since 11:30 this morning. It is it's 4 something right now. Let me check what the time is. I can't check it right now. It's 4 something. Why does taping take so long? I don't get it, but it's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna go back, make sure everything's still sticking where it needs to stick. And then we're gonna load up 2 cups worth of paint. So whenever we're done spraying 1 cup, just go hook up for the second, and then we're good to go. I am not gonna film the actual spraying of the truck because I'm just trying to get it done. But I don't know, maybe I'll just set the phone on the stand or something, so on a time lapse or something. Yeah, maybe I'll do that, maybe a time lapse. All right, rock and roll. Here she comes, there she goes again. Her hair is on fire. Yeah. So come check this thing out.
Oh shit! I was actually just coming to move the garbage cans. And... Woo!
What do you think about that?
Damn. Oh. That looks so much better.
Doesn't it?